In today's top stories, El Salvador's recognition of Bitcoin as legal tender opens up new payment options for citizens. British bank Standard Chartered predicts Bitcoin hits 100K in late 2021 or early 2022. These stories and more today on Coinpunks. Welcome to Coinpunks, where we cover the top stories in the crypto space, helping you get informed on all things related to digital assets. Let's jump into today's stories now. El Salvador's recognition of Bitcoin as legal tender has opened up new payment options for its citizens, with fast food empire McDonald's reportedly accepting payments in the crypto through Lightning Network. Journalist Aaron Van Werdum broke the news Tuesday after he visited a McDonald's restaurant in El Salvador, where he was presented with a printed QR code directing him to an invoice page on Lightning Network. McDonald's had 19 locations across the Latin American country as of 2019. Lightning is a layer 2 payment protocol designed to make Bitcoin transactions more scalable. Although Bitcoin has succeeded as an investable asset, its adoption as a medium of exchange has been limited. Bitcoin payments were at the core of Satoshi Nakamoto's 2000 white paper describing Bitcoin as electronic cash. Following El Salvador's historic adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender on Tuesday, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson predicted that a lot more countries will eventually follow in the Latin American nation's footsteps. El Salvador's Bitcoin acceptance further legitimizes the belief that people should be in control of their money, Hoskinson said in his Congratulations Bitcoin YouTube video this week. The Cardano founder expressed confidence that cryptos like Bitcoin are the future of money, as the younger generation will inevitably trigger mass adoption of cryptocurrency. In a new report by Standard Chartered's cryptocurrency research unit, Bitcoin is predicted to hit $100,000 in late 2021 or early 2022. Chartered's research team also stated that Ether is structurally valued at $26,000 to $35,000, 10 times its current price. But Bitcoin must reach $175,000 for that to occur. The Standard Chartered research report notes that Ethereum and Bitcoin share many characteristics, but the Ethereum blockchain has things like smart contracts, decentralized autonomous organizations, decentralized finance, non-fungible token assets, and initial coin offerings. But the bank does say there could be a greater risk with Ethereum than there would be with Bitcoin. After 4 years of development, the Central Bank of Nigeria is set to roll out its digital currency project. The launch will reportedly happen on the occasion of the country's 61st Independence Day celebration on October 1st. Nigeria's central bank digital currency project comes amid significant anti-crypto policies from the CBN and negative crypto sentiments from several government officials. The digital Naira is also coming at a time when its fiat counterpart has plunged to new lows, with the central bank enacting even tighter forex restrictions. Bitcoin adoption in Nigeria continues to expand as cryptocurrencies offer easier remittance vehicles, especially for the country's diaspora population in supporting relatives and loved ones back home. Crypto also offers a means for the upwardly mobile and tech-savvy younger population to shield their wealth from the rapid debasement of the Naira. The Director of Citizenship Relations and Supervision of Conduct for the Central Bank of Brazil, Mauricio Moura, stated that the upcoming regulation could ban anonymity in crypto transactions made in the country. Mr. Moura stated that the central bank is currently devising ways to achieve this objective jointly with the Brazilian Securities Commission. Currently, all exchanges and companies in Brazil must report their operations and the operations of their customers to the regulator. But some of these companies still aren't complying with this mandate. What do you think about the position on crypto that the Central Bank of Brazil has taken? Let us know in the comments section below. Still on the subject of Brazil, Visa has announced it's planning to bring crypto services to traditional banking platforms in the country. The company has also announced that it's working with several crypto companies in the country to bring crypto payment cards to the market and hinted at possible direct integration of Bitcoin in payments. Visa also announced it's working with several national companies to issue cryptocurrency cards. Among these are Bank, Ultrabank, and Ripio, which will allow users to connect to these bank accounts. Several oil producers and Bitcoin miners met last week in Texas to talk about the possibilities of on-site mining that Texas energy producers could bring for them. The meetup served as a point of encounter to examine these possibilities. Oil wells that are not so big to build pipelines into their operations usually burn the natural gas pockets encountered on site. However, Bitcoin mining can provide a better solution. This flared natural gas can be used to power generators that would feed micro-mining operations in each well. This arrangement would bring benefits to both miners and producers and would be also beneficial to the environment, not having to burn this gas to release it into the atmosphere. This wraps up things for today's show. Leave your comments on today's stories and also drop suggestions for what you'd like coverage on in the future. And if you like today's show, give it a like and subscribe. If you're on the go, you can get the same content in our podcast at www.coinpunks.ca. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next one.